Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is one of my favorites. I keep trying different versions of it because I like it so much, and you don't want to miss out on it either if you are fond of noodles or chicken noodles. So I'm trying this fried chicken noodles recipe. So I'm quite excited to try this and I can't wait to show you what I'm going to be doing. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and I shall get started. So it is like a chicken chow mein. It's just that I'm going to marinate the chicken. Usually you fry the chicken straight away with the noodles, before the veg, or with the veg. But I'm going to marinate it and then kind of give it a shallow fry before I cook the rest of the bits, and then all of this will come together into this steaming bowl of delicious food. First, the chicken. 6 chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, and I'm cooking for 4 people, which is why I'm using 6 of them. And first things, I'm just going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Just going to tidy this up because I don't like these side fatty bits. Once that is done, I'm just going to chop it into bite-sized pieces. There you go. So once we have the chicken ready, it goes in a bowl. I'm going to marinate it, so we're not using it as it is. So going to add in 1 egg, break it straight in, half a teaspoon of black pepper. That's a lot of pepper, but it's going to taste nice and sharp, and also just a bit less than half a teaspoon of salt. First, I'm just going to give it a mix, let it coat evenly. I'm going to add a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and that's going to give it a nice coating with the egg. And now you can leave this to rest till the time we prepare the vegetables. So start with the chicken, so it's sitting in this mix while we prepare the vegetables. So we need a red chili, some ginger, lots of garlic, some spring onions, carrot, and half a cabbage. So I'm just going to prep them all separately. I'm going to and then start cooking. Let's chop the ginger and garlic finely, and the rest could just be thinly sliced. First things, I'm going to add some oil. So good 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil goes in, and once it's hot, I'm going to cook the chicken. I've actually moved it to the bigger hob, so it's kind of stronger heat, and I want to cook this quite on high heat. So once that is hot, in goes our chicken. And this is going to cook on high heat just for maybe 6-7 minutes until it's cooked, and keep turning it over so all the sides of the chicken is done. So while the chicken is sizzling away nicely, I'm just going to prep the noodles. I'm just using quick Chinese noodles, and they just need soaking in hot water for 3 to 4 minutes. So this sounds quite lovely, and look, because of the corn flour, it's all in one piece. I can just turn it over. It shouldn't take long to cook at all because I've chopped them into such small pieces. And once you've turned them, if you want, you can separate them right now to make your life easier for afterwards. And once you know that the chicken is cooked, if you want, just slice into one piece and check. Obviously, always check if the chicken is done. And once it's done, just remove it in a bowl. Leave it on the side. Ooh, it's nice and quiet again. So I'm just adding another tablespoon of oil, and then goes in our lovely ginger and garlic. I'm going to give it 2 minutes before I add the other veg. Now, carrots. And the whites of the spring onions. And now I'm just going to give it 5 minutes. Really does smell so nice. Top of the spring onions, the green bits, I am just slicing them thinly instead of cutting them in circles. So you get a lot more green color when you see the noodles. It's a couple of tablespoons of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of nice kind of crispy chili. You can use chili paste, you can use chili oil, it's all up to you. A tablespoon of vinegar. I'm using just white vinegar, and also a tablespoon and a half of dark soy sauce. Give it a mix and it's ready for our noodles. And you can add salt to taste. I'm adding half a teaspoon. There you go. Moving back to our vegetables. Okay, they are looking ready. So I am going to add the noodles. Increase the heat to full because I just want them to crisp up very, very lightly. You can use any noodles you like. This is what my local shop had and I wanted to give it a go. I've used it before. They're quite nice. In the sauce mix. Oh, they look fantastic. I cannot wait to plate this up. Just gonna sprinkle the greens on top. And time to get this on my plate and in my belly. Right, here it is. It smells really good. That's the first good sign, right? And I cannot wait to tuck in. And I know for sure that my kids will go crazy for it. So, I'm so hungry. I'm really hungry. And even more hungry right now because this is what is for dinner tonight. Boy, that's good. Mm. That is so good. Mm. That's delicious. The chicken has softened, and obviously it's so moist, it's cooked through. I thought this is going to be spicy because I used some chili paste and red chilies, but this is not spicy at all. So I might drizzle some spicy chili oil on my plate just before eating, because I'm going to go sit down, enjoy it with my family. I hope you will too. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you very soon. Bye. You know, just joy. Simple little things in life.